Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Sumo in Ryujin. It's important to first understand that Ryujin appears in two distinct game contexts. In Starfield, Ryujin Industries is a major corporation with a complex questline. However, the concept of a sumo build or character is actually found in a different fighting game also named Ryujin. We'll explore both to ensure you have the right information. If you're looking to engage with Ryujin Industries in Starfield, your journey begins by locating one of their red kiosks. You can often find these in bustling areas like Neon. Simply interact with the kiosk to apply for a job, which initiates the back to the grind quest. This questline will immerse you in a world of corporate espionage, requiring skills in stealth and persuasion to navigate its many challenges. For those interested in a sumo build within the Ryujin fighting game, the strategy centers on creating a robust character. You'll want to invest in stats that boost durability and stamina, making your fighter incredibly resilient. Prioritize developing upper muscle and fat to maximize both your damage output and your ability to withstand hits. Mastering combos, like the powerful 1-2-3 stomp, is crucial for dominating your opponents in the arena. Whether you're navigating the corporate ladder in Starfield's Ryujin Industries or mastering a sumo build in the Ryujin fighting game, understanding the specific mechanics of each title is key to success. Tailor your approach to the game you're playing, focusing on the relevant skills and strategies. Remember, a well-planned character or quest path makes all the difference. Also, for more great financial insights, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.